By at time 32, we now have more products and reactants in the mixture. We've cut that down 4 H's, 4 I's, and now 8 HI's. At time 48, still proceeding and investigating, the amount and products in the mixture haven't changed. When I again reach dynamic equilibrium, the rates in the forward and the reverse are constant. So after checking at time 32 and again at time 48, we're seeing that those constant reaction values have indeed achieved twice. Therefore, we know we're at equilibrium. We're no longer seeing a change in the amounts of either reactants or products. So, initially, taking sense of this graph, there is no product at time 0. We saw hydrogen and iodine values decrease and hydrogen iodide increase as time went by. When we achieved a flat line, a constant value, we indeed made equilibrium, that the forward and the reverse reaction were occurring at the same rate. We didn't produce the same amounts, but we have achieved equilibrium when they flatline. So real important to stress, equilibrium does not mean that we have equal amounts. It's the rates of the forward and reverse reactions that are equal, but not the concentrations of reactants and products. Some reactions reach equilibrium only after a small amount of reactant molecules are consumed. We say that that position of equilibrium favors the products. Other reactions reach equilibrium only when a small percentage of reactant molecules are consumed. We say that equilibrium favors the reactants. And literally, I stress that by saying if A plus B is in equilibrium with C plus D, you might see me favor the reactants with a strong arrow to the left. You might see me favor the products with a weak arrow to the left. And if there's about the same amount, you'll see me draw those in about an equal value. So we can stress which side of the arrow is being favored in terms of amounts. Remember, the rates are the same, but it doesn't say the same amounts. I could be favoring reactants, I could be favoring the products, or if they're being consumed and produced in about the same time, you could see an arrow of equal length. Let's pause here and take a look at equilibrium constants once I grab my calculator.